Hello. Let's continue. Last time we talked, we worked on. We tried to work on integrating tags for my static site generator, and and I encountered several problems, and I needed to address it. So. Some of these problems I solved during the stream, some of them I figured out later, but in general it wasn't something very interesting or very insightful. But nevertheless, some list of unexpected behaviors that you always will encounter during the development, because you start with certain assumptions, then you continue to work and you figure out that your assumption is incorrect and the actual behavior is totally different. So you have no choice but to adjust, to update, and so on and so forth. And so currently I have my site up and running with styles in tags, and also I have styles in top menu, which is all coming from site render, which actually was my goal from the beginning, to allow correct rendering of styles during the site render step. Okay, and looks like it works, at least for now, and we shall continue. But what doesn't work is actually tags. I have them printed out, but if I click on any tag, I will get nothing. So now let's figure out how we can make it work. And my approach was to look into my GraphQL definition, specifically into, first of all, into the schema and then into the implementation. So if I'm not mistaken, schema is not this one. Okay, not schemas. In this file I'm only defining schemas for Zod and for types. So where it is? Fun. I looked into, I lost it in previous stream, and now once again not sure where it is. Query. Okay, this is actually my root GraphQL, which is okay. Okay, so GraphQL is in definitions. That's okay. So what I want to do is to define additional query, which is tags, and I will define filter. Do I need filter actually? Well, I'm not sure. I want just to get list of tags. I'm not sure I want to filter it in any way. So let's just return tags, array of tags, and let's of course define what tag means in the GraphQL language. I assume we can call it language, why not? And it will be tag, and it will be well, on one hand we for sure have a name, tag name, and it for sure should be not nullable. In addition, we should have something that is called slug, because it is something that it will be used in well in URLs. So what do I mean by slag? So if, for example, I have tag like my books, okay, this is the tag. I would prefer not to use it as is in my URL, because in order to convert it to URL, I will need to replace space with %20, because it is encoding of web URLs. Instead, I would prefer to have something like my book with a dash. So I will need to use some sort of converter. I think I will need to use some sort of converter. Well, it's not that required actually, because converter a bit complicates things. And for example, what should I do if there is my book with all small letters and my book with all my books even? Yeah, my books makes more sense, and my book with M capitalized. What does it mean? How I will convert it to this slug? On one hand, it's two different tags, but on the other hand, I need somehow to deal with the fact that for both of them I will produce the same slug, and maybe I can just convert it to something like my books, and this is it. Well, maybe it's not that bad. We can start with a simple approach, and yeah. Okay, so now I need to define page tag function, maybe tags function that will have no props, and obviously not sure if that's that obvious, and will return promise with something inside. Query page result. Okay, I will need to define query interface, query tag result, and it will be it will have only name. It will be an array. Okay. Yeah. Don't think I need anything else. Well, I will need to adjust also pages, right? Oh, okay. I already have tags. I'm not using them, but I already have a list of tags. Okay, so let's define tags. No. Tags function. Oh, it's a class. Why? Ah, right. I need to return. Right. So basically I can return for now an empty array and it will work. Right. So let's continue. And what I need to do is okay, I need also to get context, and I will need to go all over. Okay, so let's first of all prepare the result value, which will be a query tag result. So I deleted it previously, but now I obviously need it, so we'll return it. So oops, okay, so let's go over all pages, and on page I should have config, and inside of config I should have tags. which is optional. Okay, so let's define it as such. I can cheat. I can define it as set and no, wait. Tag names will be set of string. Wait. Now tags for each. I will take tag name and tag names add. I will add tag name. Okay, and I don't need to check whether there is a duplications, because set defined in such a way that allows me to put there also duplicate values, and it will just not use them. I don't need CWD and array. What? There should be from tag names. Yeah. Right. And I need to use map and tag name. I need to convert to let's write it short to something like that. Okay, looks like it works, at least at this point. And once again, I don't need this. Okay. So let's try to build it, and we'll see if it works. Oh my god. Okay, I have syntax error, but inside GraphQL. Line 4, column 10. Line 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's this one, because it should start from here. Column 10. Expected parentheses. And if I remove it, it will work. And it doesn't. Wait a minute. The problem is not here. The problem is not in definition. The problem is in the query that I sent. Here, here I'm printing out the issues, and here I'm sending source. Okay. And here I'm providing query. Okay, so maybe at this point I need to print source. Oh, come on. Interesting. It's not this one. So if I remove those parts, it still doesn't work. Now it works. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I need to provide something here. This is strange. I was sure that I don't have to provide anything there. Let's discuss it. But I thought we already agreed. Okay. In GraphQL, I want to define query with two functions. Each one is optional. One is pages that accepts limit property. Second one is tags, doesn't accept anything. How to write it? Okay, parentheses. I don't need to use parentheses. Looks like I don't need to use parentheses. So if I remove it like this, it will work. But why they decided to write it this way? Why, if I don't need parentheses, if I don't need to pass values, I don't need to create parentheses. It doesn't make sense. It's like trailing comma in arguments of function definition. It should be optional. Okay, what is your problem now? Oh, it should be array. Of course. Okay. Now I need to query it. So previously I queried it in dedicated function, right? But Well, now probably it should be also in dedicated function. It's not like I have special place. Let's see. You know what? Give me a second. Okay. So I have where is it? Page render? No. Right, this one. So here I'm rendering blog pages. Render pages, page render. It's page wrapper. Let's rename it. Okay. Cool. Let's commit it. Renamed function. Very descriptive, I know, very descriptive. I'm on it. I'm 100% on it. Okay. Const blog pages. Is it exported? It does not. Basically, I think I can use the same definition here. And let's convert it to async. Okay, so basically I can just copy it fully here. Nice. Okay, well, I still be able to render it, and okay, everything is still there. So now what I need to do is tags const tags pages or tag pages. Let's do it tag pages. Okay. All right. Now I can take options that I'm getting when function is called, and basically I can query. Now I can query. So like I say that I need tags, and I need only a name because this is the only thing that I have. So yeah, and let's print it out. Right. And so looks like I don't need parentheses. Right, I don't need parentheses, and I'm getting an empty array. Right, I'm getting an empty array, which is not good. Where is it? So basically, this part is not coming from my query. Okay. Okay. By the way, do I have a map? No, I don't. Okay. I do have set. So what is the problem? What is your problem? I do have correct result, at least here. So for some reason it is not propagated to here. Tags name. I don't understand the problem. Well, there is an issue with GraphQL, not an issue, it's something that you need to be familiar with, is that GraphQL need a definition of need a correct definition of the query that you want to fetch. And inside of this query, you need to provide all the, let's say, properties of the image of the object. And if you're not providing properties, you will not get the result. But I am providing properties. So what is the problem? So let's not address block pages. Okay. So what I will get here? So I have here source, and I want also to have result. Right. Let's see. Oh my god, tags. And I'm trying to get pages. Oh my god. I see. I see. Right. Right. So basically, I need to return something like pages, and it will be something like that. And I will return tags, which is also partial. But partial of query tag result. Page fields? Why page fields? It shouldn't be page fields, it should be a query page result. Why not type? Make more sense here. Oh, I will need to address it later. Tags and Here it is. Okay. This one isn't correct. And the problem is defined separately. Should be defined together. It's the same thing. Query here, async. Does something like query pages? No. Export type query pages function. Okay. Only one problem with types. Sounds not that right. Page probes, queried pages. Right. It's not queried pages, it's queried results. Async result resource. In TypeScript, how I define value of what promise results to. Yeah, but let's say I have following type. In TypeScript. Type. Promise name string. how to define bool that it will have resolve value of type of promise in type foo. Awaited, right? Thank you. So awaited. No. Awaited here. And return type of query pages. It's not query page. Query results, right? Should be called query data, maybe. Query side data. Okay. Okay. And also I need to fix here. Okay, this is exactly why I'm using TypeScript, so I can do refactoring. Without types, refactoring is a nightmare. And query results is just an object now. Right. Okay. Blog recent right, I have some right, it's not correct, it's called correct results pages. Now maybe it will work. Okay, so what do I have here? Yeah, recent works. Blog doesn't work because I commented out. So let's bring it back. And where do I have it? Come on. Right, I don't need it anymore. Good. So it's query side data, and here it's also query side data. Let's rename it. Let's do pages, but pages isn't defined. It could be undefined. Oh no! Amazing. So here I can get tags, and let's print it. Now let's hope that we have some results here. Results that we actually can work with. And here it is. I have all my all my 5 tags. So cool. So now I can create page for every one of them. Right. Let's see. So in order to create page, I will need first to introduce a template for this page, blog pagination page, but I will call it tag page tsx. Page, I need to export it, and it will be tags. It will be name. No. Will be pages? No. Yeah, of course there will be pages, and of course I will need to have pagination, but for now I will not use pagination. I will add a note. I will need to introduce here a pagination, same as in blog pagination page. But for now, I will not deal with that. And obviously I need to return div. Amazing. And actually it will be the same. It will be the same code. And let's introduce. Okay. This is same loop as in consider code sharing. Okay. So what now? Now I need to create this page and split right, and it will be the same as here. Okay, so what will happen now is that I need for every tag I need to create a page, but I need first query available pages for every tag, and in order to do so I need to allow it. Okay, let's check that everything works, and we will add a commit. Query tags. So now this part works. Now I need to filter pages by tags, because otherwise I will not be able to get pages here. Okay, graph root GraphQL. So the main logic is here, and here I need actually to filter pages by tag. So currently I'm sort of allowing to provide all categories and to provide tags, and this can be provided simultaneously. Okay, let's first of all not allow it. If filter by category, filter by tag, filter by categories, filter by tags. If I am getting both tags and categories, I will not allow it. Okay. Contain. Okay. It's the same code. So this part is different. Interesting. Okay, we'll do optimizations later. Let's first of all see that it works. Okay. Now I need to query it. So now I can query by I can query by tag. Yes, I can query by tag. So here it is, query side data again, and this time tags. Here I will provide a tag. Oh my god, how it's happening? Okay, and now I can just create a page. I will not need to provide pagination. This is all. Props has a alright, and this is no. It will be called tag page. Blog page, tag page, and route. Wait a minute. Blog tag, and here I will add a name. Okay, and let's add it also here. Please do the magic. Cannot convert object to primitive value. Of course, it should be just name. Name tag name. Let's take a look at results. Build blog tag, and here are my tags. Yo, wait. So let's book. Why do I have so many studying? Oh, come on. Something is not right. Something is not right. There is a problem at some point in my code. Where is render? Why? Cannot redeclare? Who? Tags query. Okay. I actually don't need it. I can actually move it here and this is it. Okay, now please explain to me why do I have so many problems. Ooh, it's a lot. Map. So it's page and I will return page config tags. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's print it. Okay, so I have like a lot. I'm trying to get something very specific and it's not what I'm getting. Who's querying block? Whatever. Tags, book, and once again I'm getting like everything. Why? I think this one is querying it. Block, I believe. Yeah. So I'm getting tag, book, and the intersection is just crazy. Filter by categories. Let's make sure that this part is working as expected. Right. Okay. So this part I'm not addressing, but here's something is happening. So config tags and tags. But I don't understand why it looks like intersection is looks like intersection is not intersecting. Oh, intersection length is bigger than 0. Right. So how it worked here? Right, let's revert it. So this one works. Okay. Yeah. Studying, yes. What do I have here? Unity. Yes. And I have like a lot in dummy, right? Okay, so now I'm querying by tag. Okay. Ideally, I need to add a test for this kind of query. Ideally. But maybe I will do it another time. I'm debating myself whether I need to add only a file test or do I need actually to add the full-blown end-to-end test. And it looks like it's better to have end-to-end test. With menu, I think. Or maybe not. But yeah, it should be full-blown test. Feels to me that I will do it another time. Right. Okay. So maybe this is a good place to stop currently, and I will continue next time. So thank you all for joining me, and have a good one. I will see you next time. Bye bye.